What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably tired of hearing the same thing everywhere. Learn Excel, learn Power BI, get a data analyst job. Look, there's nothing wrong with that, but if that's all you know, you're leaving serious money on the table. Let me explain. Here's the truth about Nigeria tech space right now. Walk into any bootcamp from Lagos to Abuja, any state, and the curriculum is always almost the same. Excel, Power BI, maybe some Tableau if they are feeling adventurous. And I get it, most companies here, your banks, your telecoms, your FMGs, they run on Microsoft. The job description is basically VLOOKUP, pivot tables, and basic dashboards. So training centers teach what gets people hired the fastest. On top of that, let's be real about infrastructure. To run Python machine learning models, deep learning frameworks, you need a decent laptop, stable internet, and consistent light. Meanwhile, Excel runs perfectly fine on a 10-year-old Tokumbo Koichi with zero internet. So naturally, basically, beginners go where there's less friction. But here's what no one is talking about, because everyone is learning the same basic tools. The entry market is completely flooded. You have thousands of people who can build a pivot table but can't tell you what a regression model is. They can make a Power BI dashboard but can't write a single line of Python. Meanwhile, at the top of the pyramid, there's a massive shortage of advanced talent. Nigeria fintechs like Flutterwave, Moneypoint, Piggyvest, they are actively looking for people who can build predictive model, automate data pipelines, and work with AI. And it's not just local companies, international remote roles, freelance contracts on Upwork, startups paying in dollars and pounds. They all need these skills. The demand is there, the supply is not. This is not another Learn Data Analytics in 4 weeks program. This is advanced hands-on course designed for people who already understand the basic and want to level up into Python, machine learning, and AI visualization. Here's what we are going to cover across the playlist. First, a solid Python foundation, not just syntax but real programming thinking. Then we move into machine learning and artificial intelligence, the theory and the math behind how models actually learn. After that, AI visualization, because if you can't communicate what your model is doing, it doesn't matter how good it is. We'll also tackle natural language processing, teaching machines to understand humans. And throughout this course, you'll be building real projects, not toy example, real world projects like credit scoring models, spam detection system, image classifiers, and recommendation engines. Now, let me be clear about who this is for. If you never opened CSV file before, this might not be your starting point yet. But if you're an existing data analyst who is tired of the entry-level salary ceiling, a software developer looking to pivot into AI, or a finance professional who wants to automate the boring part of your job with Python, then this is exactly where you need to be. Excel will get you a local job. Python, machine learning, and AI will get you paid in dollars. So let's get to work. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification to be notified when a new video comes out. See you in the next video. Peace out.